Can I be a virtual assistant even if I don't have a laptop or a computer? This is a common question, especially from beginners, and I will answer that in a while. Hi there, this is Connie Zabala from the Virtual Assistant Industry channel, and I'm here to help you get your time freedom back. So this video is what I call #AskConnie, where I will be answering most of the common questions about the virtual industry. Now I do have my live session for this, and that video is longer, so feel free to check it in the description below. I will include that link. Now, this portion is the shorter version and some of the questions that I didn't actually answer in the live webinar a few months ago. By the way, if you'd like to learn about the virtual industry and you want to get some tips and trainings and then interviews, and for business owners who are looking for VAs, if you want to understand more about virtual assistants, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell button for notifications, and make sure to like this video as well. And if you know someone who is interested, feel free to share this channel and this video as well. So now on with the topic. If I am just starting and really new about the virtual industry, should I buy the laptop right away? The answer actually is both no and yes, and I will explain later why. Let me give you some examples of situations. So situation number 1, I'm totally new and I'm still learning. I really don't have a client yet, or maybe I just do some writing stuff but no technical responsibilities. And the answer to that situation is you don't need a laptop yet, and I will expound on that later. So situation number 2, I do have some small projects and I try to do this part-time already. If we are already in this situation, the answer to this is of course we need a laptop. So the really key here is that if we are just starting as a VA, we don't really need a laptop, but if only, and again I say this thrice, if only we are starting and we are only at the beginning phase of our virtual assistant journey. Maybe we have a smartphone or a tablet or an iPad, and that's okay to use at the beginning. Or maybe we rent a computer with an internet to the nearest internet cafe from our place. Well, that's okay. But again, only at the start. Here's what to do next. If you already have a client, or if you are just learning as a VA but you decided to pursue this path, in 1 to 3 months, make it a goal to buy a laptop. It must be included in our goals because having a computer is part of a virtual assistant business. It's a priority. Now, whether a laptop or a desktop computer, it's up to you. But the goal here, at the first 3 months, we already bought our own computer. Now, the reason why I insist this, that we have a computer in the period of 3 months, because for our own sake, for our own privacy, having a computer is part of our virtual assistant business. It's part of our investment. We want our own privacy. We want to think about security. We should think about our clients. Because imagine this, for example, you are my client and I am your VA. And I didn't tell you that I don't have a computer, but I do rent some computers outside and log in and do some of my tasks as a VA. Would you want me to do that for you in the long term? As my client? Of course not, right? So be a resounding no. Well, here's a bonus tip. Should you buy a laptop, what are the specifications? I'll make the answer really simple for you. So we do not have to be technical about the specifications of a laptop, but just tell the sales agent or the person in charge of selling a computer that you need a gaming laptop. That's it. Why do I suggest a gaming laptop? Because a gaming laptop is faster, is commonly faster, and have good and enough specifications to help us fulfill our responsibilities as a newbie. But if you're aiming to be a video editor, well, that's another story, and that's another specifications that will probably be a better time. But for now, a gaming laptop is the easiest one to choose when you're buying. Did you learn something today? If you did, go ahead and click like. And if you haven't done so yet, subscribe to my channel. And make sure to watch the other videos on this channel. If you learned something on this video, feel free to share them in the comments below. And if you have questions regarding this topic, let me know in the comment section below and I will answer them as much as I can. And as always, if you get value out of this video, feel free to share them with your friends. Thank you for watching.